Okay, so good afternoon, grade 10. So we will now start with values. No? So these are the activities for this week to be submitted by Friday, December 4, 2020 from 8 to 11 a.m. Okay, so yung twice na yung twice na hindi nakapag-submit, I think hindi ko na siguro sila i-entertain kahit magano pa sila, kahit mag-chat pa sila. Okay? So, paki-inform na lang sila. So, tayo, gumagawa tayo ng paraan kung as much as possible ay nakakagawa tayo ng paraan kung paano tayo nakakapag-communicate sa bawat isa. So, sila, hindi ko alam kung anong personal problem nila, pero sana kahit sila rin ay gumagawa rin ng way kung paano makaka-connect sa atin. Okay? So, maraming ng possibilities on how to connect with us. Eh, kakasawa na yung ano yung puro alibis. Di ko alam kung alibay ko matatawag or whatever. So, sana kahit pa paano ay gawa-gawa rin naman sana sila. Okay? So, this time we will be having our values grade 10. So, basically madali lang naman 'to no. So, yung values grade 10 natin ay magi-start tayo dito sa page 59. Okay? So I think this one is recorded. Pero if I were you, you can screenshot the image na nakikita nyo para at least alam nyo kung saan kayo mag-start. Okay? So at least if ever na magloko, sino ba yung naka on ng mic, paki-off po muna no. Ayan. So if ever halimbawa na magloko yung screen recorder ko or hindi ko siya na-send agad, eh may at least meron kayong naka-take down notes kahit pa paano. Okay? So the first activity that you have to answer is this will be on page 60 of your page 60 of your ebook. Ay, ano ba yan? Yan, so page 60 of your ebook. Yan. So meron lang kayong konting babasahin in order for you to answer the succeeding activities that we have. Okay? So, yan. Pagpasensya nyo na, no? Pag ako talaga nagsisimula, lagi may background music. On page 62 of your ebook, so we have there, let's act. Okay, doon sa activity letter A, so meron tayo dyang activity na kung saan a certain role model that you think that would be inspiring for you. So you have to list down three names of the people you considered them as your role model. So let's say for example, si Ma'am Evelyn Garcia ang inyong role model. So hingan nyo ng picture. Mas maganda if you have picture with them. Patunay na talagang nag-interview kayo. Okay? Hindi na ako papayag katulad nung dati na sulat. Although sulat kamay siya, printed out siya, okay lang yon, no? Malay ko ba kung sarili nyong pirma yon, sarili nyong ano. So this time, mas maganda para mas kapani-paniwala siya, inakailangan na meron kayong picture together with your interviewee, no? With him or with her, no? So bakit siya yung sa tingin mo first role model mo, second role model mo, third role model nyo? And then what do you think would be their qualities that inspire you? So ano ba yung sa tingin mo yung nagustuhan mo na quality na meron yung taong ini-interview mo kung bakit mo siya nagustuhan. And then, how you rank them. So, 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest. So, if I were you, so mag-select na kayo ng tatlong tao na sa tingin nyo ay role model. And then, attached with that is your picture. Okay? No need pala na i-print. Nako, baka magastos na naman kayo. So, limbawa, after this, ay nakapag-interview kayo, and then pwede naman siyang i-send kagad sa akin, no? So, no need for printing na. At least alam ko na kayo ay nag interview talaga. No? Kahit kapitbahay nyo lang, malay nyo, nag-inspire yan sa inyo, yung kapitbahay nyo. No? Nag-inspire sa inyo kung paano kayo naging mabuting nilalang sa inyong tahanan. No? Kayo ba yung naging malaking tulong sa inyong mga tahanan? Ayan. So kayo nang mag-iisip niyan kung may nagagawa ba kayong malaking tulong. Okay, letter B. So, who is one unforgettable person was made a big difference in your life? Ayan, so describe that particular person in 3 to 5 sentences. So if ever naman halimbawa kung wala doon sa mga role model nyo, yung napili nyo para dito sa letter B, so additional picture siya. Okay? Huwag nyo nang i-edit kung talagang, ano ba, nasa Amerika pa yung person na nagbigay sa inyo ng ano, kakaibang karanasan. So huwag nang i-edit. Okay? So yung dito-dito lang. Okay? Yung letter B, ganun din, ano? If ever nawala doon sa tatlo, so another picture siya. So, if ever naman na nandun siya sa tatlo, so no need nang mag-send pa uli. Okay? So, maiintindihan ko naman siya. Okay, so that would be letter B. And then letter C. Ayan. O, di ba? Ang konti lang nang gagawin, ano? For a matter of 3 days. So, for letter C, you have to conduct a survey. Ayan. So, dito, pwede ko na rin naman kayong payagan na at your own, ano naman, at your own idea. Yan. So, di ba, nag-interview kayo ng 5 persons. So, ano yung role model nila and then the qualities of a role model. At least ito po, pwede yun na siyang pag-isipan. No? Kasi mamaya, binigyan ko nga kayo ng task o ng activity, ay baka mamaya mapunta na kayo ng Apari at magtatapos kayo ng holo. Kasi nga, kahanap ng mga tao na nag-edad 14 hanggang 17. You can ask also your fellow schoolmates. Okay? So, yung mga madali nyo namang lapitan eh. So, po pwede yan. Okay? So, you have to fill up that table. Okay? And then, answer the succeeding questions that indicated here. Okay? So, dito po magtatapos sa page 64 ang inyong activity. Okay? So, question so far, guys. Ayan. So, kung wala, ayan, i-post ko muna uli para at least ma-send ko yung activity. Okay?